Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Talk World Talk Show presented by Clickaway Creators. Today we have Mr. Nitin Agarwal with us. He is the founding partner of Copinol Law Practice, a leading law firm along with having a robust work experience of more than 15 years. He has specialized in banking and finance, management consultancy, contract negotiation, IPR. In his throughout career, Nitin has delivered business-oriented advisory to both global and domestic clients. His areas of focus include intellectual property rights, corporate finance, strategic investment, private equity, startup funding, tax planning, due diligence, and risk management, as well as negotiation. Nitin is also volunteering an editor in chief of Clarify Research Journal, which shows his commitment towards the betterment of the society. He is regarded as highly committed lawyer and advisor with an outstanding ability to understand the client's objective and the principal goal of the firm, social justice at the same time. He is highly skilled in terms of self confidence, superior organizational skills, result oriented planning, and active channelization of available resources. Thank you so much, Mr. Nathan, for joining us today.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and for this detailed profile of myself. So you have already given a good profile of me, and also thank you for giving me this opportunity to uh, present myself.
Thank you so much. Pleasure is all ours. So, Nitin, let's start with this small set of interview now. So, can you please let us know more about your legal journey so far and your expert areas of practice?
Abhishek, I started my journey as a financial advisor approximately in 2004, 17 years back. So while serving my clients as a financial consultant, I realized that there is more need of few more things which should be added to my portfolio. Then I did completed my LLB, and since then I've been serving to my clients as a financial advisor as well as an legal advisor. So it's a long journey. The complex journey is of more than 15 years, you can say. So my main areas of practice are IPR, that is intellectual property laws, corporate funding, because I'm more of a corporate lawyer rather than a traditional lawyer. I'm very less into criminal law and civil litigation, but yes, I take care all the fields of my corporate clients. So basically, my focus is only on corporate law. I target my clients to be only the from the corporate background so that I can take care of my abilities and I can explore more of my interest areas. So these includes intellectual property, corporate funding, company laws, practice, income tax, GST, risk management in the field of finance, and so on. The list is very long. We cannot discuss everything here. But yes, I'm more of a corporate lawyer rather than a traditional lawyer.
Thank you once again for the nice introduction, Nitin. So that takes me to the next question. So because we are now in the pandemic time and now things are improving, but still pandemic saw some court begin moving toward more remote proceedings and availability. So in this sustainable, is this sustainable for you, as for you? And as a, is there a possible way to increase access to justice in your opinion? What do you think about this?
Yeah, there is a saying that we should always take the circumstances into opportunity. So this has been proven by this pandemic, and it's prevailing since more than a year now, and almost 2 years are completing in January next year. So I can say we have learned a lot, and in legal system also, uh, we have learned a lot by this pandemic. The remote hearings are being taken care, and yes, we are getting the good results from the hearings. And there were many things which were physically done before this pandemic, like some non-productive hearings where only the documents have to be submitted or only few statements have to be presented before the judges. Those can be taken care sitting at our office nowadays. And this is a very good opportunity for lawyers to be present in multiple hearings at different courts. Previously, it was not possible because I can be present only at a one court. But nowadays, I can attend my hearing in High Court, District Court, as well as in Trademark Tribunal also. So this is a big opportunity for all of us. And yes, this should be prevailed as far as my opinion is concerned, because this is increasing the efficiency of the lawyers. And previously, in previous days, what was happening if at any point of time judge is not available, so we went to the court and we realized that judge is not there. So we had to waste a lot of time and efforts, which could be used in other productive areas. So yes, in my opinion, remote proceedings are beneficial for each and everyone. But yes, there are some things which cannot be done remotely, like cross questioning with the witnesses cannot be done on remote hearings. So there are few restrictions. But yes, this will be going on. As far as my advice and my suggestion is concerned, this should be done.
There are always pros and cons for any new changes, but I think, as you mentioned, so most of the things are always on the better side.
Yes, of course. The changes should be taken and it should always be welcome
Right.
because technology is improving.
Okay. As we are talking about the technology, so in this new era of technology, what are the most used tools for you?
Technology is very much prevailing in the system since very beginning. But nowadays, what we have realized that in legal system there is artificial intelligence is also coming. So previously, what was happening if we have to quote any precedents or any case reference, we have to search it manually on many in books or some Google. Nowadays, we have to just select the filters and we will just get the result on the screen. There are many platforms like LexisNexis and others, if you which are available nowadays in the market. So we must use this. And for the foremost, Zoom on which we are doing this meeting, this is also the technology. So
Yes.
what we can say, yes, technology is penetrating in all the systems and in all the professions. Yes, legal profession is also not untouched by it. So all the future coming technologies are also welcome, like eCourt India and other websites are there who are providing the daily updates of the courts. So these are also few platforms which can be used, and I'm also regularly using these platforms. So I believe in future more technology has to be improved in as far as legal profession is concerned, because there are few gaps which needs to be fulfilled and taken care of. So I believe technology is helping a lot to lawyers. But yes, the manpower cannot be replaced completely by the technology. So we are also welcome.
Absolutely. So, what message you want to give to youngsters who are joining the legal industry?
My message to them is always the same. I have been advising my juniors and my other employees. Be honest in your work. Be the man of your commitment. Whatever you promise to your clients, you should make all the efforts to fulfill your promises and your words. And take the cases only when you are able to give the full justice to the clients. Because justice not in the means like you can't force anyone to give justice in your favor, but yes, you should make all the efforts, all the competent efforts to give the justice to your profession, so that in the future, when you see yourself in the mirror, you won't be regret like I didn't do this thing right or wrong. So my advice to my juniors is always this: be honest in your work and give full dedication.
So honesty and full dedication are your key areas, I must say.
That is the key to success to all.
It is. Thank you so much, Mr. Nitin, for sharing such great insight with us. And we always look forward to having a chat with you again in the future on some other trending topic.
Thank you,
And
Abhishek. Thank you so much.
yes, and for our viewers, if you like this chat with Mr. Nathan, please like and share this video, and also subscribe to ClickAway Creators YouTube channel to appreciate what we do, and you have more coming from the industry leaders. This is Abhishek for Let's Talk World, signing off.